community, or are we getting a read on those that feel strongly enough about this case to get out of their houses and go out and put a mask on and just take part in this process?
Right. I think your question understands the answer to it. It's of course the latter. It's people that are highly motivated to go out and express themselves. It's the same type of people that would have been the ones that demonstrated during the summer and participated in those demonstrations. So I think that what you're hearing is that. I think that you'll also hear on the flip side, when you hear people talking about being pro Blue Lives Matter type of people, those would be the type of people that would be out in front of the courthouse as well, supportive of the defendant here, Officer Chauvin.
You know what I think, you mentioned the Blue Lives Matter issue, and that's how can we not mention that? And it's on the jury questionnaire. What I think is interesting and would have to be a follow-up if I'm doing the voir dire on this, what do you think Blue Lives Matter is? What does that mean to you? Because there is Blue Lives Matter, the organization, which has a very well-stated mission statement. It has a structure. And then there's just the concept that, hey, Black Lives Matter. Yeah, okay. I want to know from these potential jurors which BLM they are affiliated with in philosophy.
Of course. I think that you have, with the Blue Lives Matter, a lot of people think that, the officers that people that choose to go into law enforcement, it's a profession. They chose to do this. And if people feel very strongly about the Black Lives Matter movement, I think that you're talking about whether or not they're white or Latino or Black or whatever, they have a very strong sense of, wanting to see civil justice happen for Black and brown communities. And I think that if you're the defendant in this particular case, you're going to be very leery about having anyone that identifies as being affiliated with the Black Lives Matter movement or affiliated with it in any way as a part of this jury. I think that it would be very difficult for Chauvin's lawyers not to use peremptory challenges on almost all of these folks.
Yeah, and we know, I think the numbers are, the defense has 15 peremptories they can use, and the prosecution has 9, and of course unlimited for cause. And Batson challenges, if the attorneys, one or the other, think there's a racial component to excusing one of the prospective jurors. So this is all going to unfold beginning tomorrow, folks, so stay right where